How to delete large files on Mac. This process is going to be really easy. The first thing you want to do is go to settings. In settings, you will come up in general. In general, you want to go to storage. At the top, it's going to tell you how much storage you're using out of the available storage. So you can see I have 148 GB that I'm using and 245 that is available, right? So about 96 GB that is available to me. And it is also shown that which area is actually using what. So in my case, applications is using about 7.46 GB. So I have the codex application. If I don't need it, just delete it. I haven't used it in many days, so I'm just going to delete it for now. I'll have to put in my admin user and password and then hit OK. So it's going to delete the codex application, and that 1 GB or so is now clear, right? So you can go through all these applications and delete it one by one. Now you also have documents. So in documents, if I click on the I over here, you can see there are large files. Large files is the first thing that comes up. Now these are a few files that take up 15 GB, 7 GB and so on. So I can't delete them right away, but I can delete a few of them. For example, I don't want the chat GPT DMG for now. I can delete it off. Similarly, I don't want the Google Chrome DMG, I can delete it off, and so on, right? I can select these files and delete them. I can then go to downloads. You can also sort them by size or last accessed. I like to sort them by size so that I know what is taking the most space compared to others. Then we have unsupported applications, and then you can go through the file browser. On desktop, I save all my videos that I make for you guys, so it is about 31 GB right now. Downloads again, because I downloaded some wallpapers and some other documents, it's taking about 2 GB. Let's say I want to delete this. So I'm going to select move to trash, and it's going to go in trash. Similarly, I have these few pictures that or videos that I don't really want. I can just delete them. And that is about it, right? Those are the large files that you delete. After you've done that, many people forget to clear the trash. Now, trash is always available on your dock right over here, and then they forget to empty it. How to empty it? Just go on the top right and see this little button called empty. Click on it. It's just going to empty trash, and that is how you've cleared some of the storage. Now you can do this file by file and delete the storage. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.